Today's video we'll take a look at valuable websites where you can earn money online in 2023. If you are interested to make some extra money, then ensure to stick with me until the end of this video. Today's first website is called Pong. That we're going to look at is going to pay you to use and test software apps and websites. Before they are released into the market, it's called Pong, which has recently been acquired by a company called Hotjar. So, if you want to find out more information on their homepage, you'll see here, Pong is joining Hotjar. I think it's important to just check out the profile of both companies. But this is a platform that's going to pay you to test websites and ads to find the opportunities. You simply need to scroll down to where you can see Become a Tester and Earn Money. Here, select Get Paid to Test to get started with the sign-up process. Now you'll see on this page, they have some stats and information on how to join. So they say, you earn money and you get rewarded for every research session. You complete from £10 to £100 for each session. So, it's possible that you will do longer sessions where you can earn £100 immediately. You share your opinion and you get paid for that. That's it. This platform, it works with some of the biggest companies in the world, and anyone can join this platform currently. So, try it, guys. The second platform that we're going to look at is a big international market research platform. It's called SIS International Research. That's been around for quite some time and they're going to pay you highly for doing market research. They mainly focus on focus groups, but they do have different formats of studies that you can do. In order to get started in participating, you'll come to their website on their homepage. Select the tab that is written Participate over there. And you get to see more information on how you can reduce that. So they say, click here to register in our database and to be considered for participation in future studies. But just to show you some of the studies that are currently running and upcoming studies. You'll see here, there is a study in Canada for $25, you'll see another study here. It's a full online focus group for $200 as compensation. You also have another one that will compensate you $150, this one $160. So you'll see that the different studies that they run here tend to pay highly. This platform covers everyone around the world. But it mainly depends on which studies are available in your country. Third one of our list is another interesting platform that's going to pay you to test websites worldwide. This platform is called Experience Dynamics. To find out more information about them, you can come to the What We Do tab here. You'll see that they work with usability testing, user research, accessibility testing, expert reviews, eye tracking, interaction design and many more. So yeah, guys, they are a market research company that will pay you for doing or participating in market research. To sign up and find opportunities, you will need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page to where you can see, participate in our research studies over there, join our panel. So, select Join Our Panel. Then see more information on what you can potentially earn with the platform. As you can see here, they say, incentives are between $50 and $150 per study, depending on the scope of this study as well. So yeah, guys, you will see they have an upcoming study. It is a 60-minute study that will pay you $250. So, to see if you qualify, you can simply select this tab over here to join the panel. So, you can be informed whenever there are studies that matches your profile. Simply select Join Our List over there. This will take you to a form where you fill in more details. Select your continent over there to start the sign-up process and fill in all the other details like your name, your email address. That's all you have to do. I hope you guys will find this very useful. Okay, that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video and get some value of it. Please, don't forget subscribe to the channel. So, See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.